Hello guys and welcome to my channel. This is just a quick simple dish guys for ulam and meron tayo itong butter mix and then ang ating flour and corn flour mix dry and then meron tayong eggplant. Eggplant. Dip lang ang eggplant. Make sure it's coated sa ating butter mix and then we fry at dito guys magiging flaky po ang inyong talong. Who wants to have a flaky talong? I do. Everybody loves flaky talong, di ba? Di ba katulad ng flaky chicken? Same process. Ayan. Ang butter guys, butter mix is very easy. Very easy to do. Quick and simple. But it's very delicious na dish. Magugustuhan ito guys ng mga bata kasi flaky siya and crunchy. Kaya ganyan po ang oil ko guys kasi nagluto po ako ng fried chicken. Same process, dito ko niluto sa aking deep fryer, kaya ganyan na naging kulay. But still usable. Ganyan lang guys, repeat the process. Ang ating talong, ang butter mix. Madali lang guys gumawa ng butter mix. Isang egg, cold water, make sure cold water ang gagamitin. At saka flour, asin, paminta, yun lang po yan guys. And then meron tayong flour, ating dry mixture, flour and corn flour. And you can put dry herbs or paprika. And then you just fry it. And that's what it is. Make it flaky. Just make sure it's all covered with flour. It's very simple. And it's very delicious. Wag lang po ganun, i-fried lang ang talong natin. Just take it to the next level, ika nga. Ganun ako guys, mapag-invento ako ng inda very masarap naman. Yan. That's very delicious. I'm sure this is a budget-friendly ulam, no? At ayan nga guys, who would think that this is just a talong? A crispy and crunchy, flaky, fried talong. Ayan. It's very delicious. Thank you all for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Just comment down below guys, what do you think? But if you can try it, you will see. Thank you all for watching. Bye for now.